Bighams and DC Norris have had a long working relationship over the years, and we found that the cooking kettles that we buy from DC Norris and the brat pans that we sear the mince, they do what a chef would do on a small scale, but just sort of scaled up, and it just doesn't lose any of that sort of unique flavour characteristics or the building of flavour in the dishes, and that's one thing that we're really conscious of. It's got the same flavour and it's repeatable as well, so our consumers, what they buy last week, this week, and what they're going to buy next week, it's the same flavour and consistency. The ability to sort of come to DC Norris and actually test a new piece of kit, I think, is a fundamental benefit, because then everybody can come up from Bighams, see the piece of kit, inspect it, make sure everybody's happy with it, look at the design, build, and then test a recipe on it, one of our existing recipes in the full batch size. Then we can say, are we happy with it? Do we need any changes? And it's just that smooth progression from idea, design, build, testing, then implementation into the Bighams kitchen environment. It just makes it a lot smoother process.